Here's how to use your voice to control your Android smartphone. Google Assistant, developed by Google, is an artificial intelligence that is available on Android smartphones. It is engaged in two-way communications. Primarily, the Google Assistant is interacted with the natural voice, even though keyboard input supports them. Now the Google Assistant manages many tasks such as schedule alarms and events, search the internet, turn on the battery saver, display the email notification, play your favorite song, and lots more. Many of the Android users are accustomed to the virtual personal assistants on their smartphones like smartphones, Google Home, Amazon's Echo, iPhones, etc. Most of the users control their smartphones with their voice. Without touching the phone, all you need is to have an internet connection. In order to activate the Google Assistant, you need to hold the home button on your device or else simply say, "OK Google." 2. You can use Google Assistant to know about your day's appointments by giving the command, "Speak today's appointments" to find out the meetings and appointments on a specific day. 4. You can also send messages to your contact name through Google Assistant. Speak, send messages, and the assistant will ask for whom. Tell the contact name and the message. 5. You can even make calls to your contacts using Google Assistant. Speak in call, with contact name, to call someone. 7. Google Assistant can also be used to perform searches on the net. Simply speak the keywords, and it displays the relevant information. 8. You can also use Google Assistant for converting currencies. Just enter terms such as $5 into rupees or 500 rupees into, etc. In case you want to control the Android using your voice without an active internet connection, then you need to install an application known as Google Voice Access. This app will offer you more detailed control when compared to the Google Assistant. To stay updated with latest technology news and gadget reviews, follow Gizbot on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and also subscribe to our notification text source, gizbot.com.